In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply credits to invoices in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process to ensure you can manage your accounts efficiently and effectively. First things first, if you're not yet signed up for QuickBooks Online, you'll want to start by going to the QuickBooks website and signing up for an account. It's a straightforward process that guides you through each step to have your account ready to use in no time. If you already have an account, you can simply click the Sign In button on the QuickBooks Online page and enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll need to click on the I'm not a robot checkbox if prompted, then proceed by clicking Continue. This is just a quick security check to keep your data safe. After that, you'll want to enter your password and click Continue again. QuickBooks will then ask you to choose the company file you'd like to work with. Select the appropriate file from the list presented. Now, with your chosen company file open, navigate to the Settings menu. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From there, click on the plus Create option, which opens up a suite of actions you can perform in QuickBooks. You'll want to select the Credit Memo option from this menu. After selecting Credit Memo, you'll be prompted to input the relevant details. This includes choosing the customer you're applying the credit to, the credit amount, and any products or services that are applicable, along with a description for the memo. Input these details carefully to avoid any discrepancies in your accounts. Once everything is filled out, click on the Save and Close button to store the credit memo. Next, you'll want to apply this newly created credit to an existing invoice. Return to the main dashboard and navigate to Sales and then Customers. Here, you'll find a list of your customers. Select the customer whose invoice needs the credit applied. Open the unpaid invoice you want the credit to go towards. With the invoice opened, the next step is to apply the credit. QuickBooks makes this easy by providing intuitive on-screen instructions that guide you through selecting and applying the available credit. Once you've completed this, click on View Payment to ensure the credit is correctly applied to the invoice total. Finally, click on Record and Close to save these changes. This ensures your accounts reflect the applied credit accurately and your financial records remain up to date. And that's it. You've now successfully applied credits to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, managing your invoicing and credits becomes a seamless and manageable task. Thanks for joining today, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy bookkeeping!